Video na. Say hello. Come on. Say hello. Shalom. Shalom. Come on, shalom. Come on, shalom. Shalom na, shalom. Shalom. Tara.
Mamatay na. Maybe 70 meters ahead. 70 meters.
I'm sorry.
Go.
This is our place, brother, the place of my parents. And ahead is their home. Okay.
Hello.
Up over there.
Shalom.
Outside. Katumak ko. Tabok. Katudain mak. Bukid mak.
Maning ibot nga sa ice. Pa. Ay, drama.
Shalom.
Hello, shalom.
Approaching of arrival.
Ano sila?
Have you seen the two children, the two kids over there? Is our sons.
Hulog ako dito. Oops.
Hello.
I'm coming.
So we are here, brother,
Hello.
in the area.
Wag na.
Kuya, ako yung
Ano bang? This is the place.
Tunol like tunol.
Kuya nga.
Isang may bag, isa. Isang may bag. Inyo?
Kuya nga.
Pa.
Kuya.
Pa. Hello, shalom.
Hello, brother. We are reach the place. We are now reaching the place, brother. Then arrive.
Say shalom.
Hello.
Isha. Isha. Isha.
That is the house of my father. Look over here. One. This is the things. Kawayan.
Kawayan.
Shalom, 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 hello, brother.
Okay, go.
Hello, Tito Jin.
Mr. Jean.
Tito Jin is with us now. Shalom, Tir. Ingat, Tir.
Shalom.
Ay, shalom.
Shalom, ay ko na nagay. Padala na dito.
Shalom.
Padala gina, i-upload na mo sa kabalo mo na sa YouTube. Hallelujah.
Shalom.
Mura kasi masis.
This is the home of my parents' house. This is my parents' house. The house of Sister Langging. But she transferred to Cagayan de Oro City and the house is left behind.
Pangakyat.
Hello.
Sira ako pareho. Sira.
This is
Sarado daw.
parents. My mother. Look, the one who is with us last Passover,
Business Pasada.
and my father. There are two of them here. Sister Langga is inside. Here, she's arrived after us. Before us. She's very quick. Aman si Kuan Siga. Ate.
Shalom. Shalom.
Shalom.
Tanay, tulad na yun.
Klaro na, klaro na.
Hello, pag shalom sad. Hello, shalom. Ada kitnay. Oh. Dani nay?
Ano mas gay-gay bunga?
Dani nay?
Pabayran na lang kung kailan ako na